So, hello guys, welcome to Python for Hackers, and this is the 7th part of this series. So, if you are new, just visit my channel and watch all the parts. So, in this video, we are going to test reverse TCP shell. Now, in the last two tutorials, I showed you how you can create the client side as well as the server side TCP shells. Now in this tutorial we are going to test both of them and I'll show you how you can use them. So let's get started by first starting our Kali machine as well as Windows 7 machine. So I'll quickly turn on my machines by going to VirtualBox. So as you can see, we have successfully booted our systems. So over here I'll just go and open Ideal. So let's just quickly open the files that we had created. So I'll just go to file and open, and over here I'll navigate to desktop and I'll select the shell, the server side shell that we had created. So we'll run this, and as you can see it is saying listening to port. So I'll do the same on the victim machine by going and opening Ideal, and then we are going to run the client side shell. But in the next tutorials I'll show you how you can convert this Python files into exe standalone files. So you can just send the exe file and your shell will be activated. So please take a look on both the sides quickly, and once we run the client machine, the server machine will automatically start accepting commands. So as you can see, we are inside the shell and the client machine is running the shell. Over here you can send the command. For example, I'll type ipconfig, and we received the output of the command that we had sent. Now on the client side we have no clues that TCP shell is running or we executed any kind of commands. But there are few drawbacks to this shell. For example, we can just use CMD. So in the next series of videos I'm going to show you how you can create a backdoor or create a shell that can send and receive files, and that can operate automatically. So for more tutorials on the same, please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button and share the videos with your friends so they can learn something new from it. So please subscribe to my channel, link is in the description. You can also like my Facebook page for more updates on the same.